Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Huglowstick back with another video, and today we're going to be going over the lock command in discord.js. So we're going to be going over a lock command. And before we start the video, hit that subscribe button. It really helps out the channel. We just hit 100 subscribers, so I'm really thankful for that. But let's go on with the video. So what you want to do is you want to first just make our command. So it's lock and just make something like that, something simple. And you wanna add the we're just gonna be using message and args for this command, nothing special really. So yeah, now we can create our file, just call it lock.js, and we can steal another file's code, and let's just format it. So we don't need any node.fetch or anything. Get rid of that. We can make it lock and locks a channel down. Now we can get rid of all of this, and we just want to keep it like this. We don't need Discord, and this is how yours should look like too. We're gonna use async. We're gonna need it soon, so yeah. Now what we want to do is we want to do something simple. We did this here, so I'm just gonna use this code because I'm not trying to use the other one again. And we just want to make it so only certain rows can do this command. And we can just open that up again. This is just gonna make it so a moderator can only do this command. You can change it to whatever you'd like. I went over this in like other videos, so be sure to check them out. So I'm not really going over this. But now we can code the actual command here. So we can do let lock channel equal message dot mentions, and then my keyboard loud out, and then dot channels dot first. Make sure it's a S channels, and then so what this is going to do is the channel that we're locking is going to be the first channel that we mentioned. Or you can also, like, let's say that doesn't work for some reason, you could do message.guild to message.guild.channels channels.cache .get, and we're going to be using args, so args and then parentheses 0. So now that we have that, I have no notification, that's why I set that out. And now we can do if no one mentions the lock channel, so do exclamation mark channel. Exclamation means no in JavaScript, so saying you know that lock channel equals message channel. So what this would do is if they don't mention, like if they don't do, for example, if they don't do something like lock and hashtag general, something like that. I can't spell, but you get the point. And if they don't do this and just do this, then it will lock the current channel. That's all it's doing right here. And now we can do, so just so you don't get an error like that. And then we actually have to make another constant. It's gonna be called role message.guild .role rows.cache.get, open up parentheses, and now what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to go into our Discord and get our actual member rule. So our member rule is just come here and your regular member rule. Now I have all these rules. These are all other rules that you can achieve, like level rules in my server. This can be my member. So right click that, click copy ID. And so what you're gonna have to do is sorry, I didn't record my desk. Yeah, you just want to paste it right in our parentheses right here. So just like this, how I did here. And now that we do that, we can do await lock channel. If you get an error, make sure you have async here. That's why we use await. You need asynchronous there, and then you can use the await command and stuff. Update over right, and make sure it's not overwrites. Make sure it's overwrite. I got an error on that in the beginning when I was testing out my command, so I'm just letting you guys that. And you want to pass in role, and open that up, and now we can do send messages. And yes, this has to be all caps equals false. And what this would do is this would change it so it becomes false and people with the member rule cannot send the message. And now you just want to do catch, and if you get an error, we're just doing this just in case so it like doesn't break your code. This will send it console.log. So if I'm talking a bit low, but yeah, it will just console.log it so like, you know, any process doesn't stop. And now you just want to do a message channel.send channel has been locked down. Something simple like that. You can change that, you can customize it to whatever you'd like, but I just have this. And believe it or not, this is actually all we're going to need for the lock command. Yes, we're going to be doing unlock, and it's basically the same exact thing, but let's just look at our lock command first, and then we can test out our other commands. So now, as you guys can see, it says Mesa is logged in, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch over to a Google Chrome, and actually Mesa was already logged in, and that means our repel.it, we have a lot of repels, but our Mesa.yt bot right here, that one was on because we already, I'm just going to turn that off so only our Visual Studio Code's running. And now we can just trust out vlock, and as you guys can see, it says channel has been locked. Now if we go into our channel and check, right, and click on advanced permissions, it says member cannot send messages. Right now, I'm just gonna, now what we can do is we can, if you're like, okay, well, what if you just did that, right? Well, I'm gonna show you. Let's say we go into our ask Ghoster command, right? So you can ask me questions here, and it shows member can send messages. If we do vlock here, right? Actually, no. Let's not there. Sorry, I used my Vibe bot. Let me unlock it. It's mlock, and we got an error. Oh, I know what I did here. I just can't spell, so change this. It's org. It's orgs right there. Instead of ARG, whatever I type there. I'm bad at spelling, you know. My hands are freezing and everything. But anyways, if we go here, lock, it says channel has been locked down. And now if we check here, again, and remember, cannot send messages. But now if we do lock #ask glowstick, it should say channel has been locked down. Now we already checked. You could send messages before an ask glowstick. Now if you look, it turns it off. I'm just gonna reset that to how it was. And so that just proves our command is actually working. Now let's actually get on with the unlock command, and it's really simple. So what we need to do is just copy this and make a new command called unlock. And I did not properly do that. Unlock.js. Paste that in and change this to unlock and unlocks. Oh my god, I can't spell. Unlocks the channel. Something simple. And now all of this is fine. We can keep this honestly as unlock. Do here, highlight this and then click Control D and just repeatedly click it, so it will change every single unlock to unlock channel. It's just something quick that you can change, so you don't have to go over. And we can change this to unlocked and change this to true. So just change that to true. And lastly, what we have to do is we have to go into our index and make another command called unlock right here. And now if we relaunch it, so node space stop, and we can go in, so try this. So we can do mlock, channel has been locked down. So as you guys can see, channel's locked. Now I can do unlock and it says chain has been unlocked. So let's go and check. And we go here. They can send messages. Simple as that. I'm gonna just lock it again because we don't want people coming in here. And now if we also try and unlock, if we lock ask glow stick, ask glow stick, so it's locked now. And now we can just, again, I'll go check for you guys. It's locked. Now if we do unlock hashtag ask glow stick, so it's been unlocked. And send messages. So as you guys can see there, that's the unlock command. And now you may be asking, well, why do I need an unlock command? Well, let's say you get raided or anything, or like, because that happens, like 7 people join into your server, they spam everything. Just a simple lock or whatever your prefix is can fix it, and they won't be able to send any more messages. But anyways, that's gonna be it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to hit a like down below and comment what I should make, because I'm kind of running out of ideas. So yeah, then be sure to join this Discord. We do giveaways, all sorts of things. But anyways, till next time, go stick out.